Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'll be taking a look at and doing a review of this Parkside 8-in-1 garden pocket multi-tool. So here's an interesting tool. This is a Parkside Fan Edition garden pocket multi-tool 8-in-1. A bit of a novelty tool, a bit like a Swiss Army knife but for gardeners. It's got secateurs on it and it's quite nicely made as well. These are beech covered handles. 3-year warranties there, and on the back it shows you what it has. So it has the secateurs at the top, and it's got a saw, like a miniature saw. It's got a mini file, a root remover, flathead screwdriver, a blade, a weed cutter, and a weed removal hook. So great to keep in your pocket if you're a gardener. It also comes with the instruction manual. So here's a closer look at those nice beech wood handles, and it looks like there's sort of Allen key headed bolts holding them on. It's got like a satin lacquer on it for the finish. Quite nicely made. Maybe it's one of those tools that you don't know that you need it until you've got one. Who knows, but I like the look of it. And it opens up quite simply. Quite nice and loose, it's not tight at all. There we have it. So to activate the secateurs, you've got this little tab that comes down and then they open up, and then you push that tab back up to close them. Quite nicely finished metal, they look quite good. So to release all the tools, there's like a little springy tab here. If you push that down, it allows you to lift them up. If you don't push that down, they don't come out. So it's quite good, it locks them in, and then when you do push it down, they come out nice and smoothly. So on the one side, we have this weed cutter. There's a blade, and then there's a weed removal tool. And on the other side we've got a flathead screwdriver, which looks like it might be useful for opening bottle tops. Not sure, but flathead screwdriver. There's a little miniature saw here. There's a file. And this one here is a root remover. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. So pretty good, pretty impressive for the price. I thought it would be stiff to use, but it's actually really smooth and nice to use once you get the hang of it. Once you remember to pull this lever to use the secateurs. That works well, and the secateurs are surprisingly good. I mean, a pair of cheap secateurs on their own can cost more than this whole tool anyway, and this one feels like it's better made than a cheap set, and it looks like you might be able to sharpen them in the future as well. I don't know, but they look pretty good to me. And the other tools work well. The knife works, no problem. The file works, the little saw works. The weed removers, they do work, but they're a little bit on the small side, but then again, they kind of have to be because the tool is small. And I like these sort of springs here, which mean that you don't have to get your fingernail and pull things out under like tension. It's held in with the spring, so when you push the spring, they just come out easily. It's really nice, and even the little screwdriver works good for opening up cans and that sort of thing. Screwing the odd screw down. Where is it? Here it is. And that one, actually, you can lock it in place, so that's pretty good. They all look well made. They're all, I think, galvanised. I don't know. They've got like a chrome plating on them, so they shouldn't rust. And the beechwood handles are a nice touch as well. So I think it's a nice little tool. If you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.